In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow permissions to apps in iPhone. We're going to do a camera for this example. So let's go to the settings. And the first thing you can do is go ahead down to where it says privacy and security, and then scroll down to permissions. And we're going to go ahead and hit the camera option here. And from here, you can see that all of the apps that allow camera to be part of their permissions, you can go ahead and toggle these on and off. Another thing you can do, and a more common thing that people know how to do, is to back out of here to your regular settings page. You want to go down to the very bottom where it says apps and go ahead and pick an individual app to turn that permission on. So I'm just going to go to my Anchor app here. And as you see, camera is turned on. You can go ahead and deny this permission, but if you want to allow it, just make sure that this is toggled on, I mean. And that's pretty much it. You would go ahead and go through any app that would require your permissions for your microphones or for your cameras, but that's it. It's super simple and super easy to allow permissions to apps.